Of course, yeah. My name's Stephen Jeffrey. I'm a trustee of the Watercress Way. The Watercress Way was set up as a charity in 2016, and our aim is to open up the lost railway line between Alresford and Winchester to turn it into a footpath.
So my role, I do two things here at the Watercress Line. I'm a fireman, so I'm shoving coal on the footplate, and also I do filming. So I'm very much all over the place.
There are 4 stations on the Watercress Line from New Alresford to Alton. With each station being preserved in a different time period, we're going to take you through and talk about some interesting things about each station.
Do you have a favourite station in particular that you enjoy the most, or are they all different to you?
They've all got something going for them. So Alresford, you've got the buffet, which is lovely. Rockley, you've got the main engineering work, so there's lots to see and do. Medstead is fantastic if you just want a quiet sandwich or get a cup of tea, just because the gardeners there do wonderful work. And Alton, you've got the main line, so I suppose there's something going for all of them. I spend most of my time at Rockley.
As well as this, we'll be looking at the Watercress Way, which is a woodland walk spanning from Kingsworth into Alresford.
The Watercress Way is just a great way of getting out along the old railway tracks. You can spot relics of the old railway line along there, which is things like telegraph poles, which are a thing with railway lines. The telegraph poles normally run along railway lines. And old relics like places where they put the ballast for the track, and old sleepers occasionally in the undergrowth you find, bits and pieces like that, which is really nice. At the moment we've only got a very small section of the railway, but we really want to open up the lost 7 miles between Alresford and Winchester. It's feasible, but we need to negotiate with landowners really. Some of the track bed's been built on, so because it's been built on, we've tried to negotiate with developers to make the footpath go around the development or the buildings. We also look out for planning applications, so we can intervene and say, whether we can keep the track bed free of buildings. The Watercress Way is important because it joins, it's the last link between Alresford and Winchester, and if we open it up as a footpath on a cycleway, possibly a bridleway for some of it as well, it'll make a sustainable route for people to walk and cycle to Winchester from Alresford.